Hi, I'm Jacob, and I'm back with HatterSTEM. Prepare to party with balloon-powered cars, because today we are going to be making toy cars using a bottle caps, and makeshift axles. Then we will use the power of air from balloons to power our cars. For this experiment, you will need a water bottle, scissors, a punch, tape, 4 bottle caps, 3 straws, 2 wooden skewers, 1 balloon, and 1 rubber band. To start, you're going to need a friendly adult to help you, as we will be using the punch. Take your punch and your bottle, and you're going to make a hole right in the center of the side of the bottle, like so. After you make the hole, you're going to want to move your punch around and move it in and out to widen the hole a little, as it will be for a straw later. Take 2 of your straws, and you're going to measure out the length of your bottle and cut the straws a little longer than that. Take your 2 cut straws and tape them on to the other side of the bottle of which you punched a hole in. You're going to make sure they're parallel to each other, as these will be the axle holders for your car. To make axles, we're going to measure the 2 wooden skewers out to be a little longer than your straws and cut them. Now, you're going to need a responsible adult again, because we're going to be using the punch one more time to cut holes into the caps, or what will be your wheels. So you're going to take your punch and put it in the center of the cap and push down. Once you're through, you're going to bring it out, and then you're going to go back in and move it around to widen your hole so it will fit the skewers. You're going to do this with all your other caps too. Take one of your cut skewers and push it through one of the holes on your bottle cap. Then put your skewer through the straw on your car and put another bottle cap on the other side. That completes one of your axles. Now do the same with the other skewer and bottle caps. Try out to see if your car is running smoothly. If it is not working, check to make sure your straws are parallel to each other and your wheels are not wobbling too much. Take your 3rd straw and put its shorter end into the balloon. Then take a rubber band to secure the balloon onto the straw. You can twist it until it's tight enough that no air will escape the balloon if it's not at the other side of the straw. Take your balloon straw contraption and push it through the hole you made earlier in your bottle. Have the straw come out the mouth of the bottle, and then take a piece of tape and tape your straw up to the top of the bottle so it points straight out. Take a big piece of tape and wrap it around the spot where your straw enters the bottle to make sure this connection is secure and that your straw stands upright. Time to test. Pick your car up and blow the balloon up through the straw. Cover the straw with your finger until you're ready to let it go. Then, ready, set, go, and watch it go away, right off the table. If the car doesn't blast off, don't sweat it. Make sure your wheels and axles are aligned so your air power can drive it forward. Also, make sure that when you blow up your balloon, it's not leaning to the side and it's going up or forward. If it's happening, something that can solve this is making sure the balloon is attached to the straw lower down and secured better. To understand how this works, we must examine Newton's 3 laws of motion. Let's start in 3, 2, 1, go. Law 3. Every action has an equal opposite reaction. As the air is released from the balloon, it pushes back on the car, moving the car forward. Law 2. Force equals mass times acceleration. The mass is how much stuff makes up the car, and acceleration is a change in velocity, or the speed and direction of the car. As the car accelerates forward due to the air, the force that's acting on it increases. Law 1. An object in motion will remain in motion, and an object at rest will remain at rest, unless acted upon by an outside force. Your car remains moving until acted on by the outside force of friction, or the resistance produced when objects rub against each other. Have a balloon blast with your car. HatterSTEM out.